Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to report a thread in X. Reporting a thread is an important way to flag content that violates community guidelines or raises concerns. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of reporting a thread in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the app icon and tap on it to launch the application. Once you're in the app, ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Scroll through the threads until you find the post that you want to report. Once you've located the post, tap on the three dots icon located above the post. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, tap on Report Post. This action will initiate the reporting process for the selected thread. Step 4. Inform why you are reporting the thread. In the provided text input area, explain the reasons for your report. Be clear and concise in describing the violation or concern related to the content. Step 5. Once you've provided the necessary information, review your report to ensure accuracy and completeness. Step 6. Finally, tap on the Submit or Send button to officially report the thread. Your report will be sent to the appropriate moderators or administrators for further review and action. By following these simple steps, you can play an active role in maintaining a safe and respectful community in X by reporting threads that violate guidelines or raise concerns. Reporting threads helps ensure that the platform remains a positive and inclusive space for all users. Thank you for watching, and remember, your reports make a difference in creating a better community.